Check and ensure there is no paint damage on the drive sprocket cover and the magneto cover. Check for any paint damages or general damage on the frame. Check and ensure there is no extra welding spatters on the frame and ensure there is uniform welding at the joint. Ensure there is no paint damage on the clutch cover assembly. Check the undercover for any general damages or paint damage, especially from the bottom side. Ensure for its proper mounting and its seating with respect to the mid-cowl. Similarly, check on the other side too.